Introducing the Gyroor Warrior 8.5-inch all-terrain off-road hoverboard with Bluetooth speakers and LED lights, the ultimate ride for adventure seekers. Built to last, the Warrior hoverboard is crafted from a perfect combination of UL-approved materials, ensuring a super sturdy and durable structure that guarantees years of safe and enjoyable rides. Ride with confidence, knowing that safety is our top priority. Conquer any terrain with ease on the Warrior hoverboard. Equipped with 8.5-inch solid tires and a powerful 700 watts motor, you can ride smoothly on grass, dirt, gravel, or even wet surfaces. Ride like a true warrior and explore new horizons. For the music enthusiasts, we've added a built-in branded high-quality music speaker, so you can groove to your favorite tunes while cruising on your hoverboard. Experience the thrill of riding with the perfect soundtrack accompanying your journey. Thanks to its self-balancing technology, mastering the art of balancing on the Warrior hoverboard is a breeze, even for new riders. Enjoy a safe and stable ride from the moment you step on. Safety is our priority, which is why the Warrior hoverboard is UL 2272 certified. This means it has passed strict electrical and safety tests to ensure safe charging and rides. If you ever feel that the hoverboard is not meeting our safety promise, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Experience the thrill of off-road adventure like never before with the Gyroor Warrior 8.5-inch all-terrain off-road hoverboard. Get yours today and unleash your inner warrior.